rain against my window. Sweet memory.
5, 6,
I
7,
can't stand
8.
the rain against my window, bringing back sweet memories. I can't stand the rain against my window, 'cause you're not here with me. Feeling the pain. Do you remember how sweet it used to be when we were together? Everything was so grand. Now that we're parted, and there's one thing that I just can't stand. I can't stand the rain against my window. Oh, bringing back sweet memories. I can't stand the rain against my window. How sweet it used to be. Oh, empty pillow where our head used to lay. I know you've got some sweet memories, but like a window, you ain't got nothing to say. I can't stand the rain. Can't stand the rain. No. I can't stand the rain against my window. Oh, bringing back sweet memories. I can't stand the rain against my window, because she's not here with me. I can't stand the rain. I can't stand the rain. I can't stand the rain. Said I just can't stand the rain. Oh, I can't stand the rain. Said I just can't stand the rain, the rain, the rain. Ever hear it say, rain, I can't stand the rain. How sweet it used to be. I can't stand the rain. I can't stand the rain.
This dance is Rain Against My Window, choreographed by Michael Barr. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, touch right to side, make a half turn left, touch right to side, cross, make a quarter turn right, stepping back, triple, a full turn right, stepping right, left, right, walk forward, left, right. Section 2, kick left forward, together, cross, side, stepping diagonally forward, kick right forward, together, cross, side, stepping diagonally forward, kick left across together, kick right across together, kick left across, back, lock, back. Section 3, rock back, pushing right hip back, recover, repeat, rock back, pushing right hip back, recover, step forward, pivot a quarter left, cross, make a full turn right, travelling left, stepping left, right, left. Last section, rock back, recover, step forward, pivot a quarter left to face 3, sweep right across, cross, back, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross. I'm now facing 3 o'clock, the weight's on my left, and I start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and that's the whole dance.